Guys, welcome back to my channel. By the title you can tell that I did a collab, and I did a collab with Naturally Nishy here on YouTube. She's an amazing YouTuber. She's also Trinidadian, so please go check her out. We did 3 hairstyles for the Christmas season that are easy to do, so go ahead and check her out, guys. So jumping into my look, I'm doing an easy Christmas look, and first shade that I took up was a matte caramel shade, the outer corner of my eyes. Next, I took up lots of matte dark brown shade, and I'm putting that just below the outer V to give some dimension. And I'm just blending the two. Next, I'm taking Canna from the Warrior palette, and I'm just putting that in my brow bone area. And I'm just going over that matte caramel shade to make sure everything is seamless. I cut my crease off camera, and I'm going into Dahlia from the Masquerade palette. It's a pinkish champagne shimmer shade. And on top of that, I'm gonna put a diamond dust from Ambrosia Cosmetics called Garnet. And in the inner corner, I'm just gonna put Gold Rush, also from Ambrosia Cosmetics. Guys, if you're in the market for amazing pigments, palettes are great, but I really like pigments. It adds an extra oomph to the look. It's amazing. Go check her out. Then now for my face, I'm just putting primer on. I think here I used Milk Cosmetics, their primer, and then I'm going in with my Juvia's Face foundations. I'm gonna put all the shades and stuff down in the description.
Coverage boo.
And I'm just going to tap in my concealer at this point, and I'm going to set it. I used Sacha Buttercup, and I'm going to be using the Warrior palette to contour. I'll put the shades down in the description bar below as well. I can't remember them offhand. I'm just going to put the same shades that I used on the top or the bottom. Then using mascara, put on some lashes and lips. I did 2 lips. One lip is a nude lip, and the shades, the matte ink, is going to be down in the description bar below. That's that look. Hold on. I need to change and make myself look put together. And then I change my lip into another color in case you don't like the nude. You can also do like a deeper color that matches your clothing. So, but I prefer nude, so jump back in. So bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.